Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to this tutorial of AWS. So in this tutorial of AWS, we will see how to create one free AWS account. So just go to your favorite web browser and type the AWS free tier. And after that, you will see this list. So click on this free cloud computation services. So you will come over here. So if you have already created the account, then you can just sign in. But if you are new, click on this create free account from here or from here. So over here you have to enter your this email ID and AWS account name. So you can just give your email ID like Gmail account ID and all. And over here to enter the account name. So right now let me just pause this video for a while. I will enter my credentials and I will verify my email. So after that you will receive an email. On your email you will get verification code like this which you have to enter over there. So once you enter that verification code, you will be landing on this page where you have to set up your password. So just give the root users password, give it over here, and after that please enter the password over again on the in the second tab for confirmation purpose. So let me just pause this video. I'll enter my password and I will see you all in the next step. So now I've entered my password and now I'll go to the next page. So now this is the billing page. So over here you have to provide your all the details like your full name, then your phone number, then the country from where you are, and you have to provide your like address details over here. Click on this tab over here and click on continue button. So I'll do one thing now. I'll fill all my details. I will click on this continue button and I will see you all on the next page. So give me some time. And one more thing, guys, just click on this personal instead of this business. Okay, so because we are creating this personal account. And down below, you have to just choose the do you have the PAN card? Just click on this no, and then click on the verify and continue over here. So after that, you will land on this page where they will send OTP. So you have to enter that OTP over here and make a payment of rupees 2, which will be getting refunded afterwards. So don't worry about anything. Let me just check whether I received the OTP or not. So after that, you will come to this page. So over here, you have to select that account of yours, and then you have to click on the personal use, then ownership type individual, and over here you have to submit one of your document like the voter's ID, driving license number, like a password file or whatever that is. And once you do that, click on this I consent to allow the AWS users and information, blah blah things, and click on continue. So in the previous section, when we are giving the information about the card, credit card or debit card, so make sure that you are having the international payment option enabled. Otherwise, it will throw an error because first I tried with one card which was not working, so I tried with the second, it worked. So just see which option is working for you all, and let me just fill all these details and then we'll go to the next step. So after that, we will come to this page. So over here, click on this text message to get the OTP, then select your country, whatever, whichever country you are, then put your mobile number over here and put this captcha text over here and click on the send SMS. Then you will come to this page where you have to enter the OTP which has been sent by SMS on your registered mobile number. Once you enter the OTP, then you will be hitting the next button and you will come on this page over here, sign up for the AWS. So over here we want to take the basic support for free. So click on this. This is by default selected. Then click on complete the sign up process. So then you will come to this page which says congratulations, thank you for signing up for the AWS. Then you can click on this, go to the AWS management console. So it will ask you for these details. Select your role and you can select whatever role you want to, like software developer. I am interested in, click on submit. Then after that you can click on the sign into the console. Then this is your console. You can click on next and you can see what instructions it is giving. So you can just click on this done, and this is how your console would look. So now if suppose you want to see where is it What are the free services provided by the free tier? Just go to the if you're in web browser and type AWS free tier, and after that this first link, just click and open it. It will open this link. So over here, if you just go and see the advantages, so it will give you 750 hours of the Amazon EC2 like instance, or I mean reusability, then 5 GB for the Amazon S3 bucket for storage purpose, and Amazon RDS, it is giving you the 750 hours. So just go and check out all these privileges which you will get in this free tier account, and you can just go to the next pages and you can check out the other services also. So this is a really good option for you all if you're a student and want to learn the AWS. So do go and give it a try, and do let me know how you like this video. And please watch my other videos as well. I'll be starting the AWS series as well from today. So yeah, I hope to see you all in the course. Thanks for watching.